Hey, welcome to the Old Geezer Show live on Felixstowe seafront. I'm here sheltering from the wind, but in a minute I'm just going to walk out and let you see what it's really like. It's windy as hell. The wind is up to 35 odd knots, which is about kind of 40 miles an hour, blowing in from the sea and creating some nice waves. We're well sheltered here wave-wise because we've got quite a lot of sandbanks outside our beach, but it does get quite rough. I'll take a walk forward and I'll speak to you later. The wind strength is around 35 knots, that kind of level, which is a force 7 to 8 gale. It's blowing what we call blowing a hoolie. That's short for blowing a hooligan. Not a fun day to be at sea.